Yep, today we're going to talk about just the general screen layout for BobCAD version 23. Everybody likes to have their screen laid out a little bit differently. This is the layout that I choose to use because I find it to be a very efficient means of using the space. Now, first off, if you want to add toolbars, if you've downloaded the demo or if you're a new BobCAD customer, they tend to automatically load a variety of different toolbars on the screen that allow you to use all these icons to use the different drawing features. I personally don't care for most of those icons, so I turn them off. And a really easy way to do this is you just go to the main screen, really anywhere on this screen here, and you right click, and then you have all these checkboxes to turn different things on and off. So that's how you adjust those windows. Now, all of these windows here, when you initially get the software, will all be tiled on the left side of the screen. And the problem that I have with that is when you go into a function like translate here, you can see that you can't get into all of the options. You'd have to move this up, and you're not able to see everything. So that can be a little confusing for new users. So what I recommend that you do is you take the layer UCS and Post Manager, and you just drag this by clicking on the blue bar by the name, and you just drag it and you bring it over to the right side of the screen. So now it will stay over here. Now this measure entity dialog box, this only comes up if you use this function. It's a right mouse function, measure entity, and then you would have to click on a unit or on a line or an arc, and then some information will come up. Again, this I normally like to tile over here, and you can just drag it over here. So now, as an example, if I had a line on the screen and I wanted to get some information about this line, I can right click, measure entity, I can click on that line, and then it will populate all this information. Now what's really nice about this window is that information will stay populated there. It's not going to go away until I measure something else. Another good difference or something new about BobCAD from previous versions is this layer manager. We can add new layers, we can name layers, we can make layers active, and we can turn layers on and off. This is a very useful feature for separating out geometry. As an example, if you're working with solids and you're going to extract wireframe from the solid, it's usually a good idea to put the wireframe on a separate layer. It makes the selection process later on down the line a little bit easier. There's a number of other things that I'll be reviewing with the software. I'll try to put a video out every day, and this is the one for today. All right, guys, thanks a lot. Bye now.